Today's taste test is Banza mac and cheese made with chickpea pasta. And I might have licked the spoon from the cheese sauce, and it's really, really good. Let's try the pasta. It's good. It's a little bit denser pasta, but it doesn't taste like chickpeas or anything. It's very good. It's a really nice cheese sauce. I like it. I really do. You know, I prefer Annie's over Kraft mac and cheese. The more I have Annie's. This might be my second favorite over Kraft. Over Katie. I'd have to do more research. More research is needed, but it's very good. I'm really happily surprised. Super cheesy, super good, super delicious.